if the criminals is managed to able to get politician support at state level and central government level, and like these kind of business tycoons, they think that they can extremely misuse the entire system of India. There is no law and order. Even they can misuse. They think that they can misuse the judicial system of India. It is that situation that had forced me to exit from India, because they got that.
भारत का एक सुदूर में प्रांत तमिलनाडु, और तमिलनाडु से एक महिला आई है अपने हक और अधिकार के लिए, जंतर मंतर पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है और भूख हड़ताल के जरिए अपनी बात कह रही है। परेशान है, दुखी है, व्यथित है, अकेली है, लेकिन फिर भी अपनी बात पुरजोर तरीके से रख रही है कि किस तरीके से मानवता को ताक पर रखकर, ह्यूमैनिटी को ताक पर रखकर एक महिला के साथ कंपनियां व्यवहार करती हैं। अपनी आवाज़ भारत में तो उठा ही रही है, साथ में यूएन तक उस आवाज़ को पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही है। हम इन्हीं से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि माजरा आखिर है क्या, क्यों ये जंतर मंतर पर आई हैं और क्या प्रॉब्लम रही इनके साथ जो इनको जंतर मंतर पर आना पड़ा। मैम, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम एंड व्हाई यू आर कमिंग हियर?
Sir, my name is Satya Kadirvel from Tamil Nadu state of India. I had been working in a MNC company for almost 2 years. When I was under approved long leave, I got just the sudden intimation within just 4 days, and even before knowing what was happening, within 4 days they directly terminated my job when I was in another country. So the case is in the court, and during the last case hearing on 16th April, the company lawyer had voluntarily proposed me that they are giving my job back in company, and that's why they're proposing for mediation.
You are saying that you was in other country, as well as you are saying that you have take the proper leave.
Approved long leave.
Approved long leave.
Yes.
So what is the reason why you are taking long leave, and when they terminate you, they what they justify, what they want to say?
So I took I had to exit from India due to very high sensitive life threat and security threat crimes done against my family in Delhi by the 3 main criminals of Nachathal murder case, named criminal Asokan Perisamy and criminal Shanmugam and criminal Sivakumar Velusamy, by taking help of a top business tycoon in India, the top #1 business tycoon in India. I'm not taking his name because because then the news might be influenced to not get published, so that's why I'm not taking his name. So these 3 criminals did not even, my family came all the way from Tamil Nadu to stay in Delhi with the only hope that we would get some kind of support from central government, ruling politicians and the authorities to get our security threat issues.
Is there any political nexus behind this? Or it's when you are saying that there is a big issue, na?
Yes, sir.
There is some powerful people back from this all things.
Understood. Yeah, it's the topmost #1 business tycoon of India, with whom a ruling politician had been closely associated for decades. For decades, each and every citizen, educated or uneducated people, knows who is the topmost ruling politician, who is personally closely associated with the #1 business tycoon of India. It is that politician who was involved in the illegal termination of my job when I escalated
But what is the benefit? Because you are
Understood, sir. There is no
it's a
enmity.
very small thing, na?
Understood.
Your job is a small thing.
Understood.
What you harm?
Okay, the thing is that there is no enmity between me and the business tycoon. There is no enmity between me and the topmost ruling politician. The one and only connecting point is the close friendship of the son of the business tycoon with the criminal involved with my family, whose name is Asokan Perisamy. It is due to the close friendship between the main criminal Asokan Perisamy and to the son of the topmost business tycoon. That particular son of the business tycoon is blindly supporting the crimes of these main criminals of Nachathal murder case by using his father, business tycoon, and the politician support.
You are saying the friendship,
Yeah.
due to the friendship.
Yeah.
Due to the friendship
Between the son of the topmost business tycoon and the criminals involved with my family. It is due to that business tycoon is giving blind support by using the
What
political
kind
support.
of crime happened
and so I'm come to the point. First time in the year 2021, my grandmother was burnt alive in our village by these three criminals, and followed by that, when we escalated that crime to the state and central government only, he took the help of the business tycoon, and they actually planned to murder my family itself in.
What is the reason? Is there any rivalry or?
No, nothing, sir. It's just that my father passed away before 12 years. It's just my widowed mother, myself, and my elder sister. Both myself and my elder sister are unmarried. So their plan is to just kill my family and to loot our property. So I don't want to get into much. It's to kill my family.
Okay, it's a property.
No, it's to kill my family and to literally loot our property. That is the base core motive. So when I escalated the murder crime of my grandmother Nacha Tal, the people started doing physical attacks in our Delhi rental house also. We could not get any support from either anybody in Delhi.
You are talking about your grandmother. Your parent is raising the issue or you raising?
No, sir. My grandmother was murdered. Murdered.
Okay. Who raised the issue? Your parents or you?
Sir, the thing is that my father passed away before 12 years itself.
Okay.
In the year 2021, my grandmother was murdered by these three criminals.
Okay.
And their next motive was to kill my family and to loot our property.
Okay.
So when I escalated that murder crime, when the case got prosecuted in Madras High Court, and then when I was escalating that time only, they tried to attack us. They executed physical attack.
They try to suppress.
Suppress us. And when we stayed in, due to security threat in Tamil Nadu only, my family stayed in Delhi in the year 2021 to 22. But they started doing physical attack in our Delhi rental house
you are
also.
doing the job in the same company.
It is it's a work from home. It's a work from home option. So I just work in my laptop. So I stay in Delhi and I was working.
Okay.
So one particular point of time, they tried to literally murder my family in Delhi itself. We went a lot of times directly to the House of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh sir and also Home Minister Amit Shah sir. But we could not get any support. Almost 80 petitions I had registered in Prime Minister Office, Home Minister Office, President of India, Defence Minister Office.
What about court proceedings? Is there any case?
Sir, cruel. We prosecuted the case in Madras High Court. We could not get justice, and we filed for protection order in Madras High Court. Even the protection order was denied for my family, again due to by taking political support for these criminals. So justice was denied. As you see, if people have political support, we don't even have to explain the things. They will do injustice in the court also by taking political support. So it's after that only my family moved to Delhi. So when I reached to central government, we could not get any support from central government. The situation went to a very worse situation that they literally planned to murder us in Delhi itself. That's why I exited from India by taking my widowed mother and my sister, and I went on for long leave in the MNC company, and the company had supported me. I explained the situation, sir. I could not get any support from central government due to the topmost business tycoon who is using his political contacts in Delhi. So I'm literally depending on getting attention from UN security.
The particular business tycoon is belong to Tamil Nadu or it?
Sir, you know who is the number one business tycoon in India?
There are several.
No, there is one and only. If you say number one business tycoon in India, everybody knows who is that. And if you ask who is the very closest associated topmost ruling politician of India, who will attend all the functions of the number one business tycoon in India, everybody knows his name. We don't have to speak it out in the media. Everybody, the whole world knows who is the number one business tycoon in India. Who the whole world knows who is the topmost ruling politician who attends all the family functions of the business tycoon and do all the favors.
You are diplomatically correct, na? You wouldn't like to take the name, but you have.
The thing is that if I take the name, people might influence you to not publish the news. So that's why I'm not taking the name. It would be safe for your media channel, sir. Because that much is the kind of tyranny. Kind of rule some of the ruling politicians does. So I want to make the media channel safe. That's why I'm not taking his name. So it is thus there is no enmity between me and the business tycoon. It's only because of the friendship between the son of the business tycoon and the criminal Asokan Perisami is blindly supporting the crimes of criminals of Nacha Tal murder case. So when I was on long leave, they influenced the company authorities to suddenly illegally terminate my job when I was escalating to UN Security Council permanent member country leaders. And now again, due to the support of some country leaders only, the company has proposed me that they are reinstating my job in in MNC company, and on 5th June I have the mediation, and I hope there will not be any cruel cheating crime against me in the mediation.
सीधी सीधी बात मैं बता दूं आपकी कि ये बता रही कि इनकी जो ग्रैंड मदर हैं उनकी कोई प्रॉपर्टी है तो इनके फादर हैं नहीं, तो उस प्रॉपर्टी के लिए कुछ लोगों ने मर्डर की आरोप लगा रही है, मर्डर किया उनका, और फिर इनको भी ख़त्म करने की कोशिश की गई जिससे कि इनकी प्रॉपर्टी पर कब्जा किया जा सके। अब जो अपराधी, जिनको ये अपराधी कह रही हैं, उनके कोई दोस्त है, कोई दोस्त है, उसके पिताजी कह रहे हैं भारत के सबसे बड़े बिजनेस टाइकून है। अब आप लोग अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं भारत में सबसे बड़ा बिजनेस एम्पायर किसका है। ये कह रही हैं कि यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या, और भारत का सबसे बड़े नेता की भी बात कर रही हैं। तो सीधा सीधा अब किसकी तरफ इशारा है, ये तो यही जाने कि भारत का सबसे बड़ा नेता और भारत के सबसे बड़ा व्यापारी या भारत का सबसे बड़ा बिजनेस, उन दोनों की वजह से या उनके इन्फ्लुएंस के कारण वो अपराधी बच रहे हैं। और उस जो भारत का सबसे बड़ा, ये कह रही हैं कि भारत का जो सबसे बड़ा व्यापारी है उसका बेटा दोस्त है उन अपराधियों का, फ्रेंड है। तो इस वजह से इनकी नौकरी पर भी खतरा हो रहा है। लगातार ये लड़ी रही हैं, अपना लड़ाई लड़ रही हैं, और ये कह रही हैं कि इन्होंने जो छुट्टी ली थी वो एकदम कानूनी तरीके से छुट्टी ली थी, और क्योंकि ये दिल्ली में थी तो ये काम कर रही थी अपना वर्क फ्रॉम होम, लेकिन इनको फिर अचानक ही सडनली, इनको पहले तो छुट्टी की इनको इजाज़त दे दी गई, लेकिन फिर अचानक ही इनसे वो इनको टर्मिनेट कर दिया गया। अब ये मीडिएशन में है शायद मैटर, मीडिएशन में है, और ये भी भाई लड़ने वाली है, पढ़ी लिखी हैं तो लड़ेंगी, और लड़ किससे रही हैं, कितने बड़े लोगों से लड़ रही हैं, इन पर भी प्रेशर बनाया जा रहा है। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि अगर फ्रेंडशिप है तो ऐसे गंदे लोगों से फ्रेंडशिप रखने की ज़रूरत क्या है, क्योंकि नाम तो उद्योगपतियों का बदनाम हो रहा है, और भारत के अगर सबसे प्रमुख व्यक्ति हैं उनका भी नाम बदनाम हो जाएगा। उनको तो इनको न्याय मिलना चाहिए, और जिन्होंने अपराध किया उसको उनका दंड मिलना चाहिए। तो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू expect from the, or today do you have some memorandum?
Yeah, I have the petition addressed to the UN Security Council permanent member country leaders. So the worst thing in India is that if there are if the criminals is managed to able to get politician support at state level and central government level, and like these kind of business tycoons, they think that they can extremely misuse the entire system of India. There is no law and order. Even they can misuse. They think that they can misuse the judicial system of India. It is that situation that had forced me to exit from India, because they got that topmost ruling politician support to do any extreme crimes against my family in 2020.
टॉप मोस्ट रूलिंग सपोर्ट की जब ये बात करती तो सीधा सीधा मोदी जी आप ही देखिए, क्योंकि इस समय तो देश पर आप ही राज कर रहे हैं। और अगर ये मित्र की बात करती हैं तो क्या पता वो मित्र कौन है। अब ये सीधा इनडायरेक्टली तो मुझे लगता है कि भारत की सरकार पर, और क्योंकि रूलिंग अगर कहें तो भारत में तो अभी तो मोदी जी की सरकार है, और उनके साथ उनका कौन दोस्त हो सकता है जो उद्योगपति है। मोदी जी का तो कोई दोस्त है नहीं, वो तो उनका तो सारा देश ही परिवार है। लेकिन ये आरोप लगा रही है, एक महिला खड़े होकर आरोप लगा रही है, और मोदी जी कहते हैं बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ। तो बेटी अगर संकट में आ रही है तो क्यों एक दोस्त के लिए एक बेटी को संकट में डाला जा रहा है, और एक अपराधी अगर है कोई तो उसको क्यों संरक्षण दिया जा रहा है, इतनी सी बात है। और इस पर ये महिलाओं पर क्यों दबाव बनाया जा रहा है कि वो जाकर सरेंडर कर दें। और लोग तो नाम लेकर, बड़े बड़े लोगों का नाम लेकर गलत काम कर रहे हैं, तो उनको बढ़ावा क्यों दिया जा रहा है। ये सारी बातें जंतर मंतर पर आई हैं, अपना आवाज़ उठा रही हैं, ज्ञापन देंगी, बहुत सारी बातें करेंगी, लेकिन मोटी बात ये है कि लड़ रही है लड़की, और खड़ी हुई है ताकत के साथ, ताकतवर लोगों के सामने। अब देखना ये होगा कि इस देश का जो न्याय तंत्र है, इस देश का जो तंत्र है, क्या वो इसको न्याय दिलाता है, ये दूर की कौड़ी है। आपको क्या लगता है कमेंट में लिखिए। देखते रहिए मिनी संसद। धन्यवाद।